Hakka 风情。
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey everyone, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin. Now, Shangezi or San Geu Tai is a Hakka traditional folk song known for its unique feature where each line consists of just 7 Chinese characters. It's one of the many traditional tunes that have been sung for over a century. Now, the band San Geu Tai has infused this song called 十月山歌子 with modern music elements and painting a serene scene for October with vivid imagery of hills draped in red leaves, birds migrating south, and farmers gathering their crops, all contributing to a warm and tranquil vibe. Let's take a listen. 山歌子呢，它的特色就是每一句都只能有7个字，而山狗大后生乐团这首歌把它改编成为十月山歌子，也就是10月山歌子，配上现代的音乐，唱出10月份时红叶布满山丘，鸟群飞向南方，农人收成作物，营造出一片田园的景致。What a beautiful song about the month of October, brought to you by San Geu Tai Band. Thank you for listening to another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.